Hey there, crafty kiddos. Are you ready for an alphabet adventure? I've got a super fun idea for you today. AZ Craft Ideas. That's right, we're going to create a craft for each letter of the alphabet. Let's dive in. A is for apple. Grab some red paper, cut out an apple shape, and add a little green leaf on top. Easy peasy. B is for butterfly. Use colorful paper and pipe cleaners to make beautiful butterfly wings. Let's flutter away. C is for caterpillar. Paint some rocks green and glue them together. Add googly eyes and you've got a cute caterpillar friend. D is for dinosaur. Cut out a dinosaur shape from cardboard and color it in. Roar. E is for elephant. Use a gray sock to make a sock puppet. Don't forget the big floppy ears. F is for fish. Use a paper plate, paint it, and add fins and a tail. Swim, swim, swim. G is for garden. Paint rocks like flowers and place them in a pot. Beautiful. H is for hat. Decorate an old hat with stickers and glitter. Fancy. I is for ice cream. Use colored paper to make a cone and scoops. Looks yummy. J is for jellyfish. Use a paper bowl, streamers, and googly eyes. Let it swim in the air. K is for kite. Decorate a paper kite and add a string. Let's fly. L is for lion. Use a paper plate and yarn to make a lion's face. Roar again. M is for monster. Use old socks, buttons, and fabric scraps. Make it as silly as you want. N is for nest. Use twigs and yarn to create a bird's nest. Cozy. O is for octopus. Use a toilet paper roll and yarn for tentacles. Wiggle, wiggle. P is for penguin. Use black and white paper. Add an orange beak and feet. Q is for queen. Make a crown with paper and jewels, royal and fancy. R is for rocket. Use a cardboard tube and foil. Blast off. S is for snake. Paint a paper plate and cut it into a spiral. Hiss. T is for tree. Use brown paper for the trunk and green handprints for leaves. Lovely. U is for unicorn. Use a paper plate, yarn and glitter. Magical. V is for volcano. Use clay and paint. Watch it erupt. W is for whale. Use blue paper and add a tail. Splish splash. X is for xylophone. Use cardboard and colored sticks. Make music. Y is for yak. Use brown yarn and paper. Woolly. Z is for zebra. Use black and white paper. Stripy and fun. Wow, that was an amazing alphabet adventure. Keep crafting and see you next time. Bye.